There are two ways you can reach wealth level 5 on Poppo Live, which I'm going to be showing you on this video. You're welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to reach wealth level 5 on Poppo Live. So guys, let's simply dive right into the video. So this is my homepage on my Poppo Live account. At the bottom, you can see your profile icon. You need to go ahead and click on that in order to go to your profile. Now, the first way you can actually reach wealth level 5 is by performing tasks. You can access the tasks by clicking on rewards. Right here on your profile, you can see rewards right here. So there are actually some tasks right here. So you need to perform those tasks on Poppo Live. If you are a new user, you can actually start performing the tasks on Poppo Live and show you are participating in the tasks. Now, as long as you keep on participating in the tasks, you are going to be able to unlock the wealth level 5 on Poppo Live. That is the first way you can actually unlock wealth level 5 on Poppo Live. As you can see here, if I expand my profile section, you can see that I'm currently on wealth level 5 on Poppo Live. So in order for you to actually get to wealth level 5, the second step you can actually take, or the second way you can actually get to wealth level 5, is by moving out from this section. Right here on your profile, you can see the option of level. So you need to go ahead and click on level like this. So looking right here on the level option, you can see that I'm currently on wealth level 5. Looking here, you can see other level and how to actually unlock them. So you can actually unlock any of this level this way. So for the wealth level 5, in order for you to actually unlock wealth level 5, you need to buy coins. In order for you to simply unlock it without performing tasks, you can actually buy coins by clicking on top up. So looking right here, you can see the option of 70,000 coins. The option meant for you to reach wealth level 5 is 66,000 coins. So you need to have 66,000 coins on your Poppo Live account for you to be able to reach wealth level 5 on Poppo Live if you want to use coins to upgrade to wealth level 5. Right here, the option here is 70,000 coins, and you can see the amount is actually going to cost you in US dollar, which is 9.99 US dollar and 18,900 naira in my local currency. So buying these coins would actually unlock the wealth level 5 on your Poppo Live accounts. So these are the ways you can actually get to wealth level 5. The first way is by participating in Poppo Live tasks, and the second way is by doing it this way. Alright guys, we've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.